Hi boys and girls and parents, happy Monday. This morning we're going to do a quick review of some subtraction problems. So I'm going to be putting them down, and if you need more time you can pause the video. But I want you to say the answer out loud so that someone can hear. These are easy. So you're just calling answers out loud. Mental math. And one more. All right. So boys and girls, in math, for the last few weeks, you were practicing skip counting by 3s and 4s to come up with multiplication and division problems. And we learned that multiplication is very similar to division. We use the same fact families for multiplication as for division. The only difference is with division, the answer to the multiplication goes first. Well, today we're going to move on from our 3 or 4 times tables, but that doesn't mean that I don't want you to keep practicing. Every day, I would like for you to practice your 3 and 4 times tables so that you can get familiar with them and they will come easily when someone asks you, what's 3 times 4? And right away you can say 12. Or someone asks you, what's 4 times 10? You can say 40 with confidence. Well, I have a monster. And he is my 8 times tables monster. He is going to help us out with the 8 times tables. So I want us together just to say the 8 times tables. 8 times 0 is 0. 8 times 1 is 8, because anything times 1 is the other number. 8 times 2 is 16. 8 times 3 is 24. 8 times 4 is 32. 8 times 5 is 40. 8 times 6 is 48. 8 times 7 is 56. 8 times 8 is 64. 8 times 9 is 72. 8 times 10 is 80. 8 times 11 is 88. 8 times 12 is 96. So each time, boys and girls, the answer goes up by 8. You're adding 8 more. But you can use your knowledge of your 4 times tables to help you with your 8. So for example, we have 8 times 2 is 16. Now what if this 8 was a 4? What is 4 times 2? 4 times 2 is 8. And 8 doubled, or 8 plus 8, is 16. So you can pretend that your 8 times tables are actually your 4s and then double your answers. So for example, if we had 8 times 5 equals 40. Think about what 4 times 5 is. Does anybody know what 4 times 5 is? 4 times 5 is 20. And 20 doubled is 40. 8 times 10 is 80. What's 4 times 10? 40. and 40 doubled is 80. So you can use your knowledge of your 4 times tables to help you with your 8 times tables by just changing the 8 to a 4 and then doubling your answer. This morning, boys and girls, I'm going to give you a very simple task. I want you to copy my monster with the 8 times tables. If you want to draw a monster holding the 8 times table, that's fine. Or if you just want to write the 8 times table, that is okay too. But I would like for you to write the date, and today is Walt. We are learning to memorize our 8 times tables. Okay? So once again, if you want to draw your monster, your dragon, that's going to be totally fine. But I want you to write out your 8 times tables. And I want you to practice them. So look at them, cover them up, say them, try them without covering it up, and see what you can do. But remember to use your 4 times tables to help you with your 8 times tables. When you have copied your 8 times tables, and if you choose to draw your monster, please upload it to Teams so that I may see that it is complete and that I can give you a completed grade for this task. Okay, boys and girls, take care.